Now, your Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Kimberly Newman.
Over the next couple of days, the heat that we've all been waiting for is finally arriving across the area. Notice tomorrow we're at 33 degrees, which actually puts us near normal for this time of year. And then we go beyond that with temperatures Wednesday and Thursday into the middle and upper 40s. Comfortable, pleasant, dry for the most part here. All of those things describing the end of this week before we drop back down into the lower 30s on Friday. Notice, though, every single high on the next 7 days here is above the freezing point, with the exception of Friday, which just ties that number. That gets us really close to average for this time of year. Our almanac for today shows 35 degrees, the normal for February 12th. Obviously, today we hit 28 with an overnight low last night in those single digits. We'll do that one more time. Tonight brings us the coldest air of this week as you watch our wind chill forecast moving down through the 20s, teens, and eventual single digits this evening. I've got the clock stopped at 11 p.m. Keep in mind, there is not a significant breeze tonight. It's just that combination of clear skies and a light 5-mile-an-hour wind that brings our wind chills way down, especially in southeast Michigan as we head towards your Tuesday morning. This is 6:30 a.m. You can tune in tomorrow morning and catch meteorologist Alan St. Peter's forecast. She'll get you out the door as you kickstart your Tuesday. Chilly conditions will have you reaching for the gloves, hats, scarves, and heavy jackets tomorrow morning. But if you're anything like me, you'll be shedding some of those layers heading into the afternoon as this nice flood of warmer air comes in from the south. We do set up a nice southerly breeze towards the middle of this week. Notice temperatures in the 20s and wind chills in the teens for most of the day tomorrow, but overwhelmingly warmer air will start to come into play. Remember those 40s Wednesday and Thursday through the middle and end of this week. Tuesday at 33 degrees. We're looking at a typical February day. A high of 35 puts us at average, so we're just a few degrees shy of that. Wednesday at 47, we'll have some melting taking place. Watch for wet roadways and slick conditions out there. Thursday, breezy conditions and scattered rain showers. Make it feel more like spring than the middle of February, but we get a reality check. Overnight Thursday into Friday, that moisture is still there, and we see the chance of sleet developing as we move into the beginning of Friday. That could create some icy conditions out there before we head into this weekend. Saturday and Sunday, we have mostly sunny skies, really pleasant conditions. And Ryan, I've been actually doing some research and some reading. It looks like in Pyeongchang, where the Olympics are happening right now, they had to suspend and postpone some of the events because of some incredibly strong winds that have been coming in from the Himalayas. So pretty cool to be able to kind of look at those global weather patterns as we deal with just some really calm weather here in Toledo.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how that plays tonight during the games. All right, thank you, Kimberly. Still ahead.